Good day folks, today I have another interesting GoPro mount I want to show you if you're not already familiar with it. This is the Bodhi Floaty. It is a floating suction cup mount that can be used in and around water. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So if some of you recall, I reviewed this product a few years back now. This is also called the Bodhi Floaty, and it was designed for the Hero 5, 6, and 7 Black. Basically, you just inserted your camera into the foam frame. It had a full cutout at the bottom, so you were still able to mount it just like normal. If your camera happened to become disconnected to whatever it was attached to, the camera would float in the water and it was nice and visible. So Bodhi Floaty has come up with a new action camera mount, and this is a floating suction cup, and it's actually quite useful. This here is the box that it comes in, kind of unique. And then inside the package, of course, we have the mount. There are a ton of GoPro suction cup mounts on Amazon that you can choose from. This one here is unique in the fact that it floats. So this is perfect for those who like to film in and around water. This can easily attach to a boat, a canoe, a kayak, anything that has a hard, smooth surface that you can connect a suction cup to. You can see here we have a GoPro finger mount at the top. We also have this little loop at the side here, so if you do want some extra security, you can also attach it to a tether. We have 3 suction cups here on the back, so even if one happens to let go, you know it's still going to be securely attached to the boat or whatever you have it attached to. Now, of course, you don't have to use this in and around water. If you just want a suction cup, this one here is a nice multi-purpose one. If you want to connect a GoPro to your vehicle or a window, you can use this as well. You just have the added bonus then if you do use it around water, you've got that extra security. And of course, connecting a GoPro to it, it's just like any other finger mount. You can attach it and then angle it however you need it. Now, of course, I went and tested it out in the water just to make sure it was able to float a GoPro. And I also tested it with the GoPro Max to make sure it was able to carry the weight of it as well. As you can see here in this first clip, I've got the GoPro Hero 8 Black attached to it. And when it's dropped in water, it just floats up to the top. When it's in the water, the weight of the GoPro causes it to flip over, and that way you have the nice bright orange suction cups facing up, making it nice and visible in the water. Now in this next clip here, you can see I have the GoPro Max attached to it. And same thing, it floats nicely in the water. When it's in the water, the orange suction cups face up, so again, you can see it. Now, as I've mentioned in many of the products I reviewed, a product like this is not for everybody. It just depends on how you use your GoPro and what you'll be filming. If you're a person who likes to capture your canoeing or kayaking adventures, something like this is perfect and ideal. You can easily move it around to different spots on your vessel to get different vantage points. I really like this product, it works well, and I think it's earned a spot in my GoPro camera kit. Now, for ordering, I believe you can only order it on the bodhifloaty.com website. I haven't seen it available on Amazon as of yet. It may make its way there at some point. I'll go ahead and leave a link down to their website where you can go and check it out further. The price comes in at $35. It's actually on sale right now. The original price is $40, so you get $5 off. Well folks, that's basically it for this quick review video. Definitely if you're looking for a floating suction cup, I highly recommend the Bodhi Floaty for the Hero 8 Black. I should also mention that it can be used with the Osmo Action. It's definitely able to keep it afloat as well. The suction cups on it are nice and strong. I actually had it attached to my car windshield for about 2 hours while I was doing a drive lapse, and no problems there. Hopefully you found this review informative and got some value out of it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.